Welcome to this quick Xero tutorial. Today, I'll show you how to create a custom invoice template in Xero using a demo company. This is perfect if you're new to Xero and want your invoices to look professional. Log in to your Xero demo company. Click Business on top menu. Select Invoices. On the top right, click Invoice Settings or Branding. You will see the default invoice themes like Standard, Modern, etc. From here, we will create our own custom invoice layout. Click on any theme, for example, Standard. Click Upload Branding Theme or Download Template if shown. Download the docx invoice template from Xero. This gives you the base file that contains all the required fields like invoice number, customer details, table start and table end tags, and so on. Open the docx file in Microsoft Word. Here's what you can customize. Add your logo, click Insert Picture, add your logo, resize and position it on the top left or center. Change fonts and colors. Select any text, choose your font and size. Change headings like invoice, bill to, etc. Customize table layout. Modify the item table columns, description, quantity, price. Add or remove columns, but do not remove the table start and table end tags. Add footer text. Scroll down and add your terms, bank details, or payment instructions. Save the document as docx. Go back to Xero, to Invoice Settings, to Branding Themes. Click Upload Branding Theme. Upload your edited docx file. Give it a name like Custom Invoice V1. Click Save. Xero will show a preview. If you see warnings like Table Start Missing, it means you accidentally deleted the field tags. Open Business, Invoices, New Invoice, fill customer and invoice details. On the right side, find Branding. Choose your new custom theme, Custom Invoice V1. Quick preview to see how it looks. If everything looks good, approve or send the invoice. And that's it. You've created your own custom invoice template in Xero using the demo company. If you want more quick tutorials like this, don't forget to like and subscribe.